me see your hula dancing.
No, that's Hawaiian.
Okay, let me see your Hawaiian dancing. Go ahead. That's cute, Taylor. You gonna do it some more?
What's that?
Can you put your hands on your hips like you're doing before? Very nice.
Who is it?
I just found it. I don't know. Maybe it was Easton. Easton, did you like the party? Easton, did you like the party?
Did he get to go on the stage?
He didn't go on the stage, no. Who did you see on the stage?
What did I see?
I don't know. Who did you see?
I saw Shauna.
Shauna. Was she a beautiful bride? Yeah?
Where is Shauna now?
She drove off into the sunset.